Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to download and install Adobe Illustrator for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop using the official Adobe website. Step 1. Click the link in the description below to access the official Adobe Illustrator trial page. Make sure your device meets the minimum system requirements for Adobe Illustrator, as it's a powerful design tool that performs best on a well-equipped setup. Step 2. Sign in with your Adobe account or create one if you're new. Adobe will ask for a payment method, but don't worry, you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the 7-day trial is up. I highly recommend setting a reminder to avoid any surprise charges. Remember, you can cancel the trial at any time during the 7 days, and you won't be charged if you do so. After signing in, you'll be prompted to download the Adobe Illustrator installer. Click on the download button to start the download process. The download may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Adobe Illustrator. The installation process may take a few minutes, so be patient. After installation, launch Adobe Illustrator and start using it for free for an entire week. Whether creating and editing content, applying text effects, or generating color palettes, this is your chance to explore everything Adobe Illustrator can do without paying upfront. Remember, the official link is in the description. Use that to get started and follow along. If this walkthrough helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future uploads. Do you have questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for hanging out and happy creating!